Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Leap Podcast, where every lesson helps you grow. I'm Rose.
And I'm Jake. Hello, everyone.
Jake, how are you today?
Honestly, a little embarrassed.
Embarrassed? Why?
My mom texted me this morning. She asked, "How are you feeling?"
A sweet question.
I replied with one word, "Good."
What happened next?
She texted back, "That's not a real answer, Jake."
Oh, no.
I sat there thinking, wait, what else could I even say?
Just good or bad?
Exactly. Those are basically my only two feeling words.
Jake, that is exactly our topic today.
Please tell me there are more than two words for feelings.
There are dozens, Jake. Beautiful, specific, useful words.
My mom would be so proud of me by the end of this episode.
Then let's give your mom a much better answer next time.
Okay, I'm ready. Teach me how to actually feel things in English.
That's one way to put it. Let's begin. But first, a small request.
Yes, if this episode helps you, please click the like button.
And please subscribe to English Leap Podcast. It is free, and it helps more learners find us.
And share it with a friend who only ever says, "I'm fine."
Thank you. We love our listeners. Okay, Jake, let's start with the good feelings. Jake, how did you feel this morning before that awkward text?
Actually, pretty good. I had a great cup of coffee.
Let's find a better word than good then.
Perfect timing.
The first word is cheerful. 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 Cheerful means happy and bright in a light, easy way.
Like a sunny morning?
Exactly. For example, I feel cheerful when the sun is out.
I felt cheerful this morning, actually, before the text drama.
Perfect use. Second word, confident. 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 Confident means you believe in yourself. You feel sure and strong.
Like before a job interview?
If it goes well, yes. For example, I feel confident speaking English now.
I feel confident about today's episode already.
I love that, Jake. Third word, relieved. 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 Relieved means a worry is gone. You can finally relax.
Like after a hard test is finished.
Exactly. For example, I felt relieved when my flight landed safely.
I feel relieved I didn't say something worse to my mom, honestly.
A very honest example. Let's review. Cheerful, confident, relieved.
Cheerful, light and happy, confident, sure of myself, relieved, a worry is gone.
Perfect, Jake. Now the harder feelings. Let's be honest about those too.
Okay, I'm ready.
The first word is frustrated. 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 Frustrated means you're annoyed because something isn't working.
Like when the internet is slow?
Exactly. For example, I feel frustrated when my English mistakes repeat.
I feel frustrated when I can't find my keys in the morning.
Very relatable. Second word, disappointed. 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 Disappointed means something didn't happen the way you hoped.
Like a canceled plan?
Exactly. For example, I felt disappointed when the trip was canceled.
I felt disappointed when my favorite show ended badly.
Oh, I know that feeling. Third word, embarrassed. 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 Embarrassed means you feel shy or awkward, often in front of others.
Like this morning with my mom's text.
A perfect real-life example.
I felt embarrassed that I didn't know how to describe my feelings.
That's exactly why we're here today, Jake. Let's review. Frustrated, disappointed, embarrassed.
Frustrated, annoyed, something's not working. Disappointed, hoped for more. Embarrassed, shy, awkward.
Wonderful, Jake. Now some feelings you notice in your body.
Feelings in the body. Interesting.
The first word is anxious. 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 Anxious means worried with a tight feeling, usually before something happens.
Like before a doctor's appointment?
Exactly. For example, I feel anxious before speaking on the phone.
I feel anxious right before I hit send on an important message.
A very real one. Second word, restless. 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 Restless means you can't sit still. Your body wants to move.
Like waiting in a long line?
Exactly. For example, I felt restless waiting for the bus.
I get restless during very long meetings.
A universal feeling. Third word, content. C-O-N-T-E-N-T. Content. Content means calm and satisfied, quietly happy with things as they are.
So not excited, just peacefully happy.
Exactly that. For example, I feel content after a quiet Sunday.
I feel content right now, actually, learning these new words with you.
That's a lovely thing to hear, Jake. Let's review. Anxious, restless, content.
Anxious, worried, tight feeling. Restless, can't sit still. Content, calm and satisfied.
Perfect, Jake. Now some more complicated feelings. A little deeper.
I like a challenge.
The first word is curious. C-U-R-I-O-U-S. Curious. Curious means you want to know more about something.
Like right now about these new words?
Exactly. For example, I feel curious about other cultures.
I feel curious about how many feeling words actually exist in English.
A great question, Jake. Second word, hopeful. H-O-P-E-F-U-L. Hopeful. Hopeful means you believe something good might happen.
Like waiting for good news?
Exactly. For example, I feel hopeful about my English progress.
I feel hopeful my mom will be proud of this episode.
I'm sure she will be. Third word, homesick. H-O-M-E-S-I-C-K. Homesick. Homesick means you miss your home, your family, or your country.
A word for people living far away.
Exactly. For example, she felt homesick during her first year abroad.
I felt homesick once on a long work trip. I missed my own bed.
A very honest human example. Let's review. Curious, hopeful, homesick.
Curious, want to know more. Hopeful, believing good things might come. Homesick, missing home.
12 words now, Jake. You're doing wonderfully.
My mom is not going to believe this transformation.
Jake, knowing the feeling word is only half the story.
What's the other half?
Explaining why you feel that way with the word because.
I know because it means the reason.
Exactly. I feel, feeling, because, reason.
Can I try one?
Please.
I feel relieved because my mom finally forgave my short text.
Perfect sentence. Let me give a few more. I feel hopeful because my English is improving.
I feel restless because I've been sitting all day.
I feel content because the weather's nice today.
I feel anxious because I have a big presentation tomorrow.
See how much clearer that is? Not just the feeling, but the reason.
I'm sad tells people less than I'm sad because my friend moved away.
Exactly, Jake. Because turns a small word into a real story. Jake, there's an important difference in English.
Between what?
How are you and how are you feeling?
Aren't they the same question?
Not quite. How are you is often just a greeting.
Like hello, basically.
Exactly. People often just answer, fine, thanks, without thinking.
I do that constantly, honestly.
But how are you feeling is a deeper, more caring question.
Like my mom's text this morning.
Exactly like that. It means, tell me your real feelings.
So a one-word answer isn't really enough for that question.
Right. You could say, I'm feeling a little anxious, actually.
Or I'm feeling much better than yesterday.
Perfect. There's also a shorter, caring question. Are you okay?
I hear that one a lot too.
You can answer honestly. Yes, I'm okay. Or not really, actually.
Is it okay to say not really?
Completely okay. It's brave to be honest about your feelings.
I think I'll text my mom that honestly next time.
Jake, feelings don't just live in your head.
No?
No, they live in your whole body too.
What do you mean?
When you're cheerful, your face feels light. Your steps feel quick.
When I'm frustrated, my jaw feels tight. My shoulders go up.
Perfect example. When you're content, your breathing feels slow and easy.
When I'm anxious, my hands feel a little cold, honestly.
These body signals often tell us the feeling before our mind even names it.
That's fascinating, actually.
Now, here's a useful English expression, walking on air.
Walking on air, like flying?
It means you feel extremely happy and light.
For example, I was walking on air after passing my English exam.
Perfect use. Here's a second one, down in the dumps.
Down in the dumps. That sounds messy.
It means you feel sad and low for a while.
For example, he's been down in the dumps since his trip was canceled.
Excellent. One more, on edge.
On edge, like nervous?
Exactly. It means feeling tense, easily startled, or anxious.
For example, I've been on edge all week before this recording.
Have you?
A little, honestly, but not anymore.
Jake, let's play a small quiz. I'll describe a situation, you guess the feeling.
I love a good quiz. Go ahead.
You finally finish a difficult English course after months of hard work.
Confident. Wait, proud isn't in today's list. Confident and a little relieved.
Great answer. Next one. You're waiting for exam results and the wait feels endless.
Anxious. Definitely anxious.
Perfect. You're sitting quietly with tea, no plans, nothing urgent.
Content. Very content.
Exactly right. You planned a trip, but it just got canceled.
Disappointed. Very disappointed.
You're living in a new country and you suddenly miss your mother's cooking.
Homesick. That one hits close to home, honestly.
One more. You said something a little awkward in a meeting.
Embarrassed. My whole morning, basically.
You did wonderfully, Jake. Perfect score. Jake, here's something important. Feelings often mix together.
Mixed together, like two flavors?
Exactly like that. You can feel two things at the same time.
Give me an example.
Before a big trip, you might feel excited and anxious together.
That's exactly how I feel before flying, actually.
Or curious and nervous before trying something completely new.
Like my first English podcast recording, honestly. Curious and nervous both.
A perfect real example.
Can feelings even fight against each other?
Sometimes, yes. Hopeful and anxious, waiting for important news.
Hopeful the news is good, anxious it might not be.
Exactly. And that's very, very human, Jake.
I feel a little relieved just knowing that's normal, honestly.
It absolutely is. Mixed feelings are not confusing. They're just honest. Jake, let's practice everything with a small role play.
Oh, I love these.
I'll be your cousin. We're on a video call.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hey, Jake, it's so good to see your face. How are you feeling today?
Hi. Honestly, I'm feeling a little anxious. I have a big presentation tomorrow.
Oh, no, that's understandable. Are you feeling prepared at least?
I think so. I'm also feeling a little confident, actually, after practicing all week.
That's wonderful. Anxious and confident together. That makes sense.
Exactly. How are you feeling? It's been a while since we talked.
Honestly, a little homesick. I've been living abroad for 6 months now.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What do you miss the most?
My mother's cooking mostly, and our old Sunday walks together.
That does sound like something to miss. I felt homesick once too on a long trip.
It's a heavy feeling, isn't it?
It really is, but I'm sure it gets easier.
Slowly, yes. I actually feel more content these days than I did at first.
That's really good to hear.
And how do you feel about your presentation now after talking?
Honestly, a little more relieved. Talking always helps somehow.
I'm glad, Jake. You'll do great tomorrow.
Thank you. And good luck settling in. I hope you feel less homesick soon.
Thank you. This call already helped, actually.
That was a great role play, Rose. I used almost every word today.
You really did, Jake. Anxious, confident, homesick, content, relieved. Beautifully done. Okay, Jake, time for Word Corner.
5 more words today?
Yes, but these words help you talk about feelings themselves. The word is expression. E-X-P-R-E-S-S-I-O-N. Expression. An expression is a way of showing something with words or your face. For example, her face had a worried expression. Or, butterflies in your stomach is a common English expression.
I want to learn more expressions like that.
The word is describe. D-E-S-C-R-I-B-E. Describe. To describe means to explain what something is like in words. For example, can you describe how you feel right now? Or, it's hard to describe this feeling exactly.
I can finally describe my feelings much better now.
The word is mood. M-O-O-D. Mood. Your mood is your general feeling over a period of time, like a day. For example, I woke up in a great mood today. Or, music can change your mood quickly.
My mood improved a lot during this episode, honestly.
The word is reaction. R-E-A-C-T-I-O-N. Reaction. A reaction is how you respond quickly to something that happens. For example, my reaction to good news is usually a big smile, or her reaction surprised everyone in the room.
My reaction to my mom's text was pure embarrassment, honestly.
The word is vivid. V-I-V-I-D, vivid. Vivid means very clear, colorful, and easy to imagine. For example, walking on air is a vivid way to describe happiness. Or try to use vivid words when you talk about feelings.
Expression, describe, mood, reaction, vivid.
All 5, Jake. Beautifully done. Now, say it simpler.
Turning hard thoughts into kinder ones.
Someone says, I never know how to describe my feelings.
Say it simpler. I'm learning new words to describe my feelings one at a time. I needed that one, honestly, this morning.
Someone says, it's weak to admit I feel anxious or sad.
Say it simpler. Naming my feelings honestly is actually a strong, brave thing to do. My turn. Someone says, my English isn't good enough to talk about emotions. Say it simpler. I now know 12 new words. That's real, solid progress.
Jake, that's a wonderful one. Someone says, I always say fine, even when I'm not.
Say it simpler. I can choose one honest word instead of fine today. Someone says, feeling 2 emotions at once means something is wrong with me. Say it simpler. Mixed feelings are simply human. There's nothing wrong with that.
Beautifully said, Jake. One more. Someone says, my mom will think I'm strange if I share my real feelings.
Say it simpler. Sharing my real feelings usually brings people closer, not further apart. I actually believe that one after today's episode.
I'm glad, Jake. Okay, Jake, let's review everything from today.
A big list. Let me try.
Group 1, positive feelings.
Cheerful, confident, relieved.
Group 2, negative feelings.
Frustrated, disappointed, embarrassed.
Group 3, everyday feelings.
Anxious, restless, content.
Group 4, mixed and complex feelings.
Curious, hopeful, homesick.
12 words. And the grammar tool?
Because, to explain the reason behind a feeling.
And the question difference.
How are you is a greeting. How are you feeling is a real caring question.
And our 2 expressions.
Walking on air for great happiness, down in the dumps for sadness, and on edge for tension.
Jake, that's actually 3 and all correct.
A little bonus round.
And what will you text your mom next time she asks?
Something honest. Maybe I'm feeling a little relieved and pretty proud of myself today.
I love that, Jake. Well, that is all the time we have today.
And I have a text message to send to my mom.
Thank you so much for listening to English Leap Podcast.
Yes, thank you everyone for growing with us today.
Please subscribe to English Leap Podcast.
And give this episode a like.
And share it with a friend who only ever says, I'm fine.
Maybe it's time they try a more honest word.
Here's your challenge for this week.
Use one new feeling word with because in a real conversation.
Notice how much clearer it feels for you and for them.
One honest sentence can change a whole conversation.
Now, our question for today.
Yes, please write in the comments below.
How are you feeling right now and why?
For example, I feel hopeful because I'm learning new English words today.
Or I feel a little homesick because I live far from my family. We will read every comment.
Everyone, I promise.
See you next time, everyone.
Bye, everyone.
Keep growing every day, one step at a time.